The division of integers are the basic operation performed on integers. Division of integers means equal grouping or dividing an integer into a specific number of groups. For example, we have negative 6 divided by 2. So, ang ibig sabihin lang yan, yung negative 6, i-divide natin into two equal parts. Just like we did here in our algebra tiles. Yung anim na negative algebra tiles, dinivide natin into two equal parts, which result in negative 3. Let us learn more about the division of integers in this video. So, our main objectives in this lesson, you will be able to perform division on integers, also solve problems on integer, and solve problems using PEMDAS. Since natutunan na natin yung iba pang fundamental operation on integers. Okay? Moving on. Negative 7 being multiplied to 5, that is negative 35. Negative 35 divided by 5 is negative 7. So, anong ibig sabihin ng process na to? Ano ang na-observe ninyo sa mga numbers na nandito? Based on our observation, the multiplication here and the division here, since parehas na naman ang number, no? Ang ibig sabihin lang yan, sila ay inverse. Magkabaliktad lang sila. No? Itong negative 7, pag pinag-multiply sa 5, that is negative 35. Kung gusto mo lang ibalik sa original number, i-divide mo sa 5. Babalik ka sa negative 7. So let's dig deeper in this topic. So we have three rules. Same sign, different signs, and zero. SDO. So when two numbers with the same sign are divided, the quotient is always positive. So we have positive divided by positive, that is positive. Negative divided by negative is always equal to positive. Same sign, palaging positive po ang output. Next, different sign. When two numbers with different signs are divided, the quotient is always negative. So, for example, we have positive integer here divided by negative integer, that is negative. Negative integer divided by a positive integer, yan po ay negative. So, basically speaking, different sign, negative results. Okay? Last, the rules for dividing 0 by a non-zero number and for division by 0, it still hold. So we have 0 divided by any number that is always equal to 0. However, any number divided by 0 is undefined. Okay? So may pinagkaiba lang sila ng konti sa multiplication. Okay? Kapag ang number, any number, dinivide mo kay 0 dito, ang sagot ay undefined. Pero kapag ang 0, dinivide kay any number, the answer would be always 0. Let's try some examples. So, we need to find this, or we need to find the quotient of the following. Okay? Pag sinabing quotient, students, that is a division. Synonymous sa division yan. Okay? So, let's try first example, 48 divided by 8. In this first example, ginawa ko muna siyang ganito. Pero pwede niyong isulat na 48 divided over 8 yan. Okay? So, dito muna, let us use this format. So, identify natin kung ano ang sign ni 48. The sign of 48 is a positive, right? Ang sign naman ni 8 ay positive din. So, ang ibig sabihin lang dito, ang gagamitin natin na rule ay yung same sign dahil pare silang positive. So, ang ine-expect natin na sagot dito ay positive integer, right? So, we have positive integer here. Ang kailangan na natin gawin dito ay i-divide si 48 kay 8. So, 48 divided by 8, that's gonna be 6. So, the answer would be positive 6. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kahit hindi nyo naisulat yung positive dito, so understood na yan po ay positive. So the answer would be positive 6. So that's the first example. Let us try more. So what if we have the second example, negative 40, gamitin natin ganitong format, divided by negative 8. So ano lang ibig sabihin yan? First, the first step is to identify the signs of these two integer. So anong sign ni 40? That is negative, right? So ang sign din ni 8 is negative. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Ang ibig sabihin niyan, ang gagamitin nating rule is same sign ulit. Sabi ko nga sa inyo, kapag same sign, ang gagamitin nating sign ay positive pag kinuha yung quotient. So ang kailangan nyo lang gawin ay i-divide si 40 kay 8. So 40 divided by 8, that is positive 5. So basically, negative 40 divided by negative 8, that is positive 5. Okay? That's the second one. So try naman natin tong given na to. For our third example, 72 divided by negative 9. So here we have a positive integers or integer, right? And sa denominator, meron tayong negative integer. So anong ibig sabihin nun? Parehas ba sila ng sign o magkaiba? Yes, very good. That is different sign. So kapag ganyan, no, ang i-expect natin na sagot ay negative sign. So the quotient of these two integers is negative. So divide na natin, no, 72 divided by 9. That is going to be 8. The answer would be negative 8 because 72 divided by negative 9, different sign, is negative 8. Okay, so let us try our last and final example here. We have negative 49 divided by positive 7. So, maliwanag na ang sign ni 49 ay negative, ang sign ni 7 ay positive. So, different sign sila. The answer is negative, right? So, 49 divided by 7, that's going to be a negative 7. Or negative 49 divided by positive 7 is a negative 7. Okay, so that is the first four examples in this topic. Itry natin ganito. We will fill in the missing number. So, for example, meron akong box dito na box divided by a negative 9 equals negative 6. Alamin natin kung ano yung nawawalang numbers or number dyan. Pero kailangan nyo munang malaman na for every division problem, there is a related multiplication problem. So, ganito lang yung technique, no, kapag ang nawawala itong numerator natin. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po, yung negative 6 dito, imumultiply nyo lang kay negative 9. Okay? So, we have negative 6 times negative 9. Apply natin yung multiplication of integer rule. Same sign sila. Negative 6 is negative integer. 9 is a negative integer as well. So, same sign po. So, we have negative 6 times negative 9, that is positive 54. Okay? Therefore, ang nawawalang number dito ay positive 54. Kung gusto nyong i-check, 54 divided by negative 9, that is negative 6. Sabi ko nga sa inyo kanina sa unang part, the multiplication and division are the inverse. Magkabaliktad lang sila. No? So, let us try more. So, try natin tong second example na to. Paano naman kapag nawawala ay yung denominator? So, ano kaya yung missing number dito? First, alamin natin kung ano ba ang sign ng sagot. So, ang sign ng sagot is a positive. So, at para maging positive ang sagot, kailangan natin i-apply itong rule na to. So, yung ibig sabihin na to, kung ito ang numerator natin ay negative, expect natin na ang denominator natin, ang sagot ay negative as well. Because negative divided by negative is a positive. Ang hahanapin na lang natin dito, yung number. So, anong number ang pwede natin gamitin dito para maging 5 ang sagot? So, ang gagamitin nating number ay 15. That's gonna be our denominator because 75 divided by 15 is equal to 5. And negative divided by negative is equal to positive. So that is our final answer here. Negative 15 is the missing number.